Vivad.
So guys, here is another new collection of toys. So let's unbox. Wow. Here you can see a lot of fish toys. Wow. And
Helicopter sensor.
it's a sensor helicopter, and it's cheapest helicopter, and it can fly as well. You can see it's beautiful. Wow, look guys, it's a what's its name?
Jabikana penguin.
Okay, penguin. This is a penguin toys. Wow, what is inside?
Jabihas.
It's a swan toys.
Chabi Murok.
Wow, it's a hand. It's beautiful. Wow, cute.
Chabi Pacha.
Wow, this is a pacha. So let's see. Let's
Penguin mask.
This is penguin, and there is penguin fish. Wow, this is penguin.
Paki.
This is a bird. Wow, look, cute bird. See guys, today's collection is so much wonderful and fantastic.
Butterfly. Prajapati.
It's a butterfly. Wow, look guys, wonderful butterfly.
আমার একটা খাঁচার দোকান থাকতো আমি একাই সঙ্গে ঘুমিয়ে ঘুমারাম করে দিতাম
So you can see a lot of toys. So I will show you more in the next video. Most of the video would be the unboxing video. Okay.